Look at number 7. It says elements in the same group of the periodic table have A. The same number of valence electrons, B. The same number of electron shells, C. Different chemical behaviors, D. The same atomic size. Which one is true of elements in the same group of the periodic table? Elements in the same group of the periodic table. In fact, group 1 elements are called group 1 elements because they have 1 electron on their last shell. Group 2 elements have 2 electrons on their last shell. Group 3 elements have 3 electrons on their last shell, and so on and so forth. Number of electrons on the last shell is called valence electron. Therefore, elements in the same group of the periodic table have the same number of valence electrons, and A is the answer. Check B. The same number of electron shells. No. It is elements in the same period that have the same number of electron shells, like period 1 elements. Period 1 elements have 1 shell. There are 2 elements in period 1, hydrogen and helium. They have 1 shell. Hydrogen has 1 electron, and the electron is placed in 1 shell. Helium has 2 electrons, and the 2 electrons are placed on the shell. Both of them have 1 shells, and that is why they are placed in period 1. Period 2 elements have 2 shells, and so on and so forth. So B is not the answer. C. Different chemical behaviors. No. Rather, elements in the same group of the periodic table having the same number of valence electrons, therefore, leads to the same or similar chemical behavior, because it is the number of valence electrons that are used for chemical bonding. So having similar number of valence electrons leads to similar chemical behavior and not different chemical behavior. So C is not the answer. D. The same atomic size. No. Elements on the same group do not belong to the same period. Therefore, their atomic size must be different. Having different shells but being in the same group results in different atomic sizes.